Mr. Mark Golden, Mr. Andrew Holness, tell me say when you go on to bed at night time, you sleep comfortable. With this behavior in Jamaica, this is the behavior in Jamaica. No, we are trying to speak against crime and violence in Jamaica. When the head of crime and violence. And I say that with no apologies. Why? Because if you have policemen out there that is supposed to be holding up the law, doing these things to innocent poor people, what do you expect the country to be like? When policemen going out there and taking away the bread out of innocent people's mouth, look the behavior, the hooligan behavior of these police officers. Should I even call them police officers or should I call them gangsters? These gangsters, look at their behavior. And this is the behavior that the government of Jamaica allows. Now this poor man, they're trying to make a living. And this is how you treat the citizens of Jamaica. Both of you should be ashamed of yourself. Shame on yourself. This is what we're talking about, our country, Jamaica. Our rights have been violated left, right, and center. Our stuff that we sell on this street side, try to make a living, is taken away. And we are robbed by the government of Jamaica, the police forces, and all these MPs who claim they're MPs. No. Mr. Prime Minister, Mr. Opposition Leader, if this is what our country is coming to, we're not far ago before a riot breaks out in our country, just like Haiti. Because people like shouldn't be sitting on the board or holding the office of Prime Minister or Opposition Leader when this is what is going on in our country. You guys should be ashamed of yourself. Shame.